special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another unit from CurlsCurls. So this is the unit called Melissa, and this unit is just beautiful. So it comes with combs, adjustable strips. It also comes pre-plucked. So this is what the unit looks like once I got it out of the box, so in its natural state. They did an amazing job, personalizing this unit, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add my final touch to it. You know how it is, you girls. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start plucking just a little bit more to make it look more natural. Okay, yeah, so I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video.
You are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
I love the CurlsCurls units, you guys. The volume is 130% density, so it is very thick and fuller. I just love that they do their best to give us best quality units that looks like our own natural hair. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start laying down my unit, you guys, using my GOT2B glue spray, so you guys know exactly how it goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you watch the video and enjoy the video. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start spritzing my hair with some water and conditioner mix, and just bringing those curls to pop. As you can see, guys, the curls are popping, Hansi.
No chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and add my anti-Jackie's curl maintenance, just a little bit more product just to make the curls pop even more, and just giving the hair a little bit of moisture. As you can see, the hair detangles very easily, you guys, and the curls are so defined and they're popping. I love this unit, you guys. I just love that it is so easily manageable. Like, as you can see, guys, it detangles easily, it doesn't tangle, and the shading on this unit, you guys, was a very, very minimal. And I just love how gorgeous the curls are popping. As you can see, guys, I was just loving brushing the hair because it brushes so easily, and the curls popping, the curls are just popping. Like, look at that, guys, how absolutely gorgeous. That is so satisfying. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my unit, you guys. This unit has a very good texture, you guys. It is very soft, and I just love that it is a very big and bouncy. It can go very big and bouncy if it is dry, or if you brush it out or comb it out. But I just wanted to define my curls. The curl definition on this unit is just amazing. Like, I just love how the curls are popping. So I wanted to show you guys how you can rock this unit with the curls popping. Hansi, you don't really need to do much with this unit, you guys. It is absolutely effortless.
Simply left me. But I don't close the door.
So I'm just showing you guys that the curls start from the root. As you can see right here, it is very thick. Okay, it is covered with curls from the root to the end. You got your curls, a good quality unit that has curls from the roots. Okay, and I'm just using my concealer just to define my pattern.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who I can't go.
You're the special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time.
I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.